Hello guys, this is my very first video on YouTube, and from today onwards I'm going to upload the tutorials content over this topic, which is software project management. So before starting, I would like to give a short introduction of this. Software project management is a branch of a project management which we study. uh, the person who all are pursuing the bachelor's of computer applications or BTech in CSE program or masters in computer applications. So this paper is taught in your semester 3rd or semester 4 of your academics. So today we start with the short introduction of the software project management. So before starting, we need to understand that what is a project, what the term project signifies. So as it is written over here, a project is a temporary endeavor taken to create a unique product or services. So we can elaborate through this that a project is nothing but we can say it is designed to produce a unique product, services or results. And moreover, we can say it is undertaken with a designed beginning, and it has a predefined beginning and end. In corporates or industry, whenever a project is undertaken, so there we create the proper schedule of a project. There is a proper definite project start date and project end date to escape from the project slippage. In our further classes we'll discuss these things in more details, but for now we should know that project has a definite end and has a definite beginning as well. And moreover, a software project is undertaken with specified units, goals and objectives, right? Typically to bring out the benefit or added value to the project we undertake. So now we further reach towards the what are the essentials, what are the essentials attributes we need for effective project management. So the essentials of the project management is planning, organizing, selecting, directing, monitoring and controlling. Planning signifies that whenever project is undertaken, then the proper planning is done, that what to do or what not to do, what are the proper objectives of a project, what are the essences do we need to accomplish the project on a particular schedule. And the second of essences of the project management is organizing. Our approach should be organized and arranged to escape our project slippage or failure. Rather, it is selecting the right people, or we can say selecting the right people for the work. Obviously, if we are undertaking a project, then a single manpower is unable to complete a project within a specified time limit. So we would need the manpower as well. The next project management essential is directing. It means the one person's always be available to monitor all the things and to direct their down authorities that what next step we have to take to reach to our goal. Second, and the second last essentials is monitoring. As I have told earlier, the one person will be checking the progress of a subject, of the what we can say objective of the project, means tracing the deadline of the project. Controlling it is as well. We will further studies in our class the role of a software project manager. So these things are also come under the roles of a software project manager. The last essentials of a project management is controlling. Means controlling the project means if anything is not going out of the bounds or out of the schedule that has been provided by the clients or for the clients, right? So the further in this topic is skills required for a project management. The person who has taken the responsibility of the project management means the actual software project manager has such this sort of qualities to monitor a project. Such project management skills are leadership, means the project management has a skill to lead the team. Communications, the project manager should not have the communication inbounds. He should be communicated with every hierarchy of the organization openly. He must have the problem solving skills as well. Mentoring signifies that the one person will be available to mentor or to guide their down authorities, that at what point we have to undertake the project and till what situation or till what deadline it will goes. And the last, the process and technical expertise. There are number of software project managements are there in our software industry. So the person should be expertise in the particular domain. He should have the proper knowledge of the programming languages, software engineering techniques, software project management essentials, and the knowledge of the domain into which the program is working or the project is working. There are three main basic steps for the software project management, or we can say the emerging point of the software project management. As I have told earlier, that software project management is a branch of the project management. So the management world is required to organize all things in such a way that to ensure that nothing is going out of the bounds or out of the project schedule slippage. So the definition of the software project management is: software project management is aimed to ensure that the software is delivered on time. Whatever the software organization has undertaken, it should be completed with a specified time or within the budget. In further chapter of the software project management, we'll have a separate module for the software costing and budgeting. We will learn how to analyze and assess the risks, cost, and the schedule, or the cost, moreover in terms of cost estimation models, and the schedule constraints, and the satisfied what are the requirements. The basics need of a project is that requirements should be gathered efficiently. We will also learn some software engineering parts as well. I will also upload some videos over that, how we elicitate the requirements or gather the requirements, and what are the ways to gather the software requirements. In our next module, we'll discuss over the topic which is mentioned here: project life cycles and types of a software project management assessment. Thank you.